Modern house and lot na accessible sa Skyway, SLEX at one ride away to Metro Manila ba ang hanap mo?
Welcome to Centrina, Alaminos, Laguna. Si Centrina Alaminos ay along National Highway lang. Paglabas mo ng subdivision ay may sakayan na pa-major establishments.
Ang location nito ay 100% flood-free at malayo sa fault line.
Centrina Alaminos is subdivision developed by Red Oak Properties Inc. after the success of Centrina Calamba and Centrina Lipa, which is almost sold out. Red Oak Properties is now developing Centrina Alaminos, located at Barangay San Benito along Maharlika National Highway, Alaminos, Laguna. 2 km away lang ito sa SM San Pablo.
We offer 5 single attached models na fully finished at kakasya mapa-small or big family pa.
Ang pinakamalaking house model natin na si Lavin. Meron itong 5 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath with attic pa. Meron itong minimum lot area na 145 square meter and 181 square meter na floor area. Amira na merong 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. Meron itong minimum lot area na 121 square meter at 142 square meter naman for floor area and may attic pa. Raya na may 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. Meron itong minimum lot area na 121 square meter at 107 square meter na floor area. Ara na may 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath and may family area na convertible into additional bedroom. Meron itong minimum lot area na 89 square meter at 95 square meter na floor area. Avina na may 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath and high ceiling living area. Meron itong 89 square meter lot area at 85 square meter na floor area. Para naman sa mga activities ng buong pamilya, may mga amenities tayo na pwedeng ma-enjoy ng bawat family members. Meron tayong pool, clubhouse, guardhouse at mga landscape parks and playground.
Available ito through bank and in-house financing. Developer assisted na rin ang loan process. Magsasubmit lang kayo ng complete requirements.
We are MJDC Realty. Message mo kami. Tulungan ka naming magkabahay. Tara!